commissioners who are present here. This one, only this. So special, it means guidance so that one doesn't need their here. And today I'm saying it very clearly. I'm confirming that the CBAs are real and that they are going to be implemented with effect from 1st July 2017 so that we have no doubts on the way forward.
With all this, then Kenya is guaranteed of attracting the best teachers and retaining the best teachers, and this nation shall deliver quality public education.
The Teacher Service Commission, as a constitutional commission, must be facilitated to effectively and comprehensively implement this CBA as agreed by the parties involved.
We want to move this CBA is going to pull out teachers from a situation where they worked like missionaries to a situation where they are going now to earn the benefit of their labor.